Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is on waxing. Yeah guys, and the first time we did this, it was a little bit dramatic. Can you remember that? See that peep over there? Yeah, it was a bit dramatic, but I'm hoping that today it will be smooth, so stay with me as we start. And before that, if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. So here are my wax beans. I just put them in a sufuria containing water, then I boil it. As the water boils, it also melts. Then I have some hair on the armpit, but not so much, but the hair is there. So I've just applied powder, and then I'm just smearing the wax on the armpit. I would really advise to have a melting machine for the wax, because wax really solidifies very fast, and it becomes so hard to use it. So if you have a melting machine, it's a plus for you. For me, we are doing it the hard way, but it's working for now, so we move on. So guys, the next thing is to pull. Okay, so today it's like the body now is used to it. Can you see that hair? It has already come out. We have plucked it. I think the body is used to it. Or is it that today we are not dramatic? What is happening, Eva? What is happening? Okay, I'm hoping the body is now used to it. Yeah, so I repeat to the sections on the armpit where the hair was not well cleared, and we repeat. Okay. It doesn't feel so painful today. Like, it just feel like okay, and oops. nothing much. Maybe the next waxing we shall be a bit dramatic, but for now we are calm, girl, we are calm. Yeah, so we smear everywhere until all the hair is out. Can you see that? I'm trying to show you the hair that the wax has come out with. I don't know whether you have seen. Yeah, so we do this to all the armpit, both the armpits. Should they be called a pair of armpit? I don't think so, but both of them. Yeah, so after I'm done waxing both the armpits, I want to wipe with a very hot towel. I've already poured hot water on a basin, then dipped the towel, then I wipe it. So guys, I'm making sure that I'm soothing my pores at the same time opening them, because I want to apply another product. That is, I want to apply a mask. This is a DIY mask that I've made at home. It's a brightening mask because I want to deal with these dark armpits once and for all. I don't want to stay with them anymore, so I'm trying to fix them. So I apply it, and then I stay with it for some time for it to kind of dry, but not really dry, but it will have worked, trust me. Yeah, so guys, as we apply the mask, can you please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, because more content and more beautiful content is on the way. So make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you share. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think today I'm a bit calm, or do you think the body is used to waxing, or do you think today we are not dramatic, like it's cold and therefore we are just there tumechill, yeah. Then I wipe after it has stayed for some few minutes, like 5 minutes. I wipe and wow, wow, wow. The armpits are clean. Then I moisturize. Guys, if you go to my YouTube channel, you're going to find the other video that I did the waxing. Let me insert it here so that you can get the urge to go and watch it. So until the next vlog, see you. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you share.